Calling procedure which returns multiple datasets. So create or replace procedure pr underscore get underscore multiple datasets. So p underscore department number, that is integer, multiple datasets. So I am not passing any parameter. Okay, just I am passing, just I will pass output parameters. So input output parameters that is related to ref cursor. So in out ref cursor. So data type is ref cursor. So here I need to display multiple data sets. So I will use emp underscore cursor. So one more parameter that is related to department, DEPT related cursor. Okay, so language PL, PG, SQL, and as end begin. So open, take this cursor for select star from employee, and the same query again write open, this time use second cursor, DEPT cursor, and second table. So this task we have already discussed in function which will return multiple data sets. Okay, so this time procedure, that is only difference. So call, take this procedure, and here pass cursor names. C1 and C2, and fetch all from C1, same time C2. So execute this. If I execute this, I can able to get the data from second cursor. Why? Because this PG admin tool will not be able to display multiple records at a time, multiple data sets at a time. Okay, if you execute call statement along with the cursor one, then it will display that first cursor related data. Okay, if you want to see the second cursor related data, you can change second statement. Okay, so if you want to see multiple tables at a time, then take this and see, you can have employee data and department data. Okay, so in API I can match the data. Okay, so right here router dot post. So here name is one data set. So here multiple data sets. Async request response. So let body equal to request dot body. and let before that use try catch and res dot send new API response array and 400 error message something went wrong. Take this and after that let see before that await db pool. So this ref cursor that should be in transactions. So query and here begin. So same statement. Here commit. In cat block rollback. Result equal to await db pool dot query and call statement. Oh, sorry. And take this procedure name and here pass the two parameter numbers. So two parameters I am taking and in this body dot. So first of all, I need to declare that parameter names. So and here JSON. So here cursor one, CUR1 I am taking. So same thing I am taking again. So CUR1. So in this position I am passing cursor C1 and CUR2 I am passing cursor C2. Okay. So these parameter names I have to specify here. CUR1 comma body dot CUR2 and after that let first data set equal to await dbpool dot query and fetch all from and give the concatenation. So here body dot cursor one. Okay. So same statement again copy and paste it. So here second data set. Okay. So here CUR2. So here you can have the error messages like I mean validation message. If first data set is available, then only you can merge these two arrays. Okay. So like if I'm going to check. So we have already seen that in this data set, first data set dot rows. In that position only, we can get the data from procedure. Okay. So first data set dot rows. Okay. Dot length greater than 0. And you can write this kind of validation as per the requirement. Okay. And row count is greater than 0. And similar for second data set. Second data set. Okay. So if data is available in both data sets, then only I'm going to match. Okay. Otherwise, I'm giving message like res.send new API response array 201, and you can write the message in error message .ts, or else you can directly write the static message. Okay. Dataset message. One of the dataset is failed to return the data. Okay. So I am taking this variable and put it here. Okay. So if all are fine, then I can merge the two data sets. So this thing I can kept it here and here. Let result array equal to first data set dot rows dot map and employee. So here emp. Okay, that means I am taking entire first data set, comma, dename second data set. Okay, how can I get department name? By passing department number to the second data set, I can get the department name. Dot find and x dot department number equal to emp dot dept number. Okay, so I am making the equal of department number for first data set and second data set. I can get the object. So from that object, I can get the department name. Okay. Similarly, see this department name and location also I can get. So same syntax and replace with location. Okay. So after writing this logic, then return the response. New API response array of 200 and success message, comma, result array. We will check. See, employee number, employee name, serial number, department name, location. Okay, for department number 10, dname IT Hyderabad location. Okay, you can check for department number 10, dname IT location Hyderabad. Okay, for department number 20, HR Bangalore. 20 HR Bangalore. Okay, so like that you can give. And second case, I have written one validation message. So if any one of the data set is failed to return the data, then I have to return this message. Okay, so data set is not returning the data. Okay, so for that I am changing small logic here where dept number equal to 40, which is not available in department. Okay, And now I am, see, one of the data set is failed to return the data. Okay. So that means control goes to this else block. Okay. So this is the way. Generally, we should not write like that. But when this else block control goes to the else block, when this else block will be executed, so that I want to show. That means you, by using this rows, I mean dataset dot rows, dataset dot row count. Okay, these properties we can have, we can write any logic according to the requirement. Okay, so that's thing I want to share. This is about calling multiple datasets.